We all know that it's the only way to really say what we gonna say if we rise up and try to make it right.
Ang ocean plastic pollution ay isa sa mga pangunahing problema ng mundo. Isang seryosong problema na tao ang may gawa. Tao rin ang may kakayanang masolusyonan ito. On that note, shore and underwater cleanups are one of the great activities that has a great impact for marine conservation. And if you have a passion for the sea, organizing cleanups like ICC is a great help for our oceans. So, here are the 9 steps in conducting coastal cleanup activity. Number 1. Plan your coastal cleanup event. Isama ang iyong pamilya at mga kaibigan para matulungan ka sa planning at pagpili ng best and safe location for cleanup. Number 2. Coordinate with the authorities at kumuha ng mga necessary permits. Number 3. Promote your coastal cleanup event gamit ang social media para makahikayat ng target number of volunteers. Number 4. Secure a copy of volunteer ocean trash data forms para sa auditing ng mga nakolektang basura. Maaari itong ma-download sa ICC Philippines or Ocean Conservancy website. Ang data na makukuha dito ay gagamitin para sa research para makabuo ng effective solution sa ocean pollution problem. Number 5. Prepare cleanup supplies, gaya ng trash bags, gloves, and picking tongs for shore cleanup, while eco bags and scissors or knife for underwater cleanup. Number 6. Consider safety measures. Magsuot ng protective clothing. Kung ikaw ay magsha-shore cleanup, magsuot ng sombrero, long sleeves, pantalon at sapatos. If you're a diver and plans for underwater cleanup, don't forget to wear proper diving gears. During cleanups, make sure to keep marine life and yourself safe. Number 7. Document your activity. This will help to track things you can improve for the next coastal cleanup. Number 8. Marami ang pwedeng ma-inspire sa iyong cleanup activity, maliit man ito o malaki. So don't forget to share your result. Number 9. At ang pinaka-importante sa lahat, siguraduhin na ang mga nakolektang basura ay hindi nababalik sa dagat. I-segregate ito at itali sa trash data forms at i-dispose ito sa designated disposable or recycling facility. That's the 9 easy steps in conducting a coastal cleanup activity. Ika nga, kahit sino ka man, bata o matanda, may ngipin o wala, you can start making a difference in making waves beneath.
Time